Goldman Sachs just dropped the numbers. 300 million white-collar jobs at risk globally, not someday. By 2028, McKinsey data shows 44% of work tasks disappear in 4 years. Your job isn't safe. Google's Gemini processes 1 million words per second. One system, doing legal research that took 3 lawyers last year. Morgan Stanley fired 8,000 middle managers, replaced them with automation in 6 months. Your email, your reports, your analysis, all automated now. JPMorgan's coin handles 36,000 commercial loan agreements annually. One AI replaced 360 lawyers and accountants instantly. Your salary isn't guaranteed protection anymore. Your industry doesn't matter. Every sector is vulnerable. Every title is next. This isn't speculation. This is happening today, this week, this month. Your competition already uses this. Your boss already tested this. The question isn't if you're replaceable. The question is when. Are you learning automation now or learning unemployment later? Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.